Canara Bank partnered with Reserve Bank Innovation Hub (RBIH) to provide digitization of self-help groups for frictionless credit. Self-help groups are small voluntary groups that are formed by people of the related community or a group in the village, consisting of 10 to 20 members. Self-help groups play a vital role in promoting financial inclusion and act as a stimulant for improving the standard of living of economically backward individuals by making them self-reliant and also improving their status in society. Self-help groups are an essential part of our rural economy, and self-help group bank credit linkage enables financial access to institutional credit to those resource-poor and underprivileged women who may not have the access to credit individually. Bank officials will visit SHG during their monthly meeting, capture details of SHG in digital mode, and completes onboarding through Aadhaar authentication. SHG SB account will be opened instantly. Bank official or BC agent visiting the SHG members will be undertaking the fund transfer activities directly to members' bank account, including instant internal lending through Aadhaar dual authentication and recovery digitally, enabling the platform to capture disaggregated data. On attaining maturity, bank will send messages to all members of the SHG for credit linkage in their regional language. On the basis of records stored in the digital platform, branch in charge will be sanctioning the eligible loan amount in the platform. Based on the sanction, bank official visiting SHG will be disbursing loan to individual member accounts in STP mode after completing digital documentation. Zero branch visit for the SHG members, thereby reducing any wage loss. Aadhaar enabled SHG dual authentication for SHG representatives and its members, reducing TAR to 3 to 4 hours. Zero physical documentation. Canara Bank. Together we can.